Hello, in this video I'll show you how to do an oil service reset on Citroen Xsara Picasso. The oil service reset can be done from the dash. When we turn the ignition on, we can see the spanner on the dashboard, which shows that oil service reset needs to be done. To do the oil service reset, we need to turn the ignition off first, and then at the dash over there we press the reset button while we turn the ignition on, and we'll see how it will start counting from 10 to 0, and then we release the reset button and everything will be done. After letting go of the reset button, we turn the ignition off, then we turn the ignition on, and our service reset is done. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you very much.